Welcome to Level 2 of learning piano chords. Each Level 2 chord exercise consists of a one-octave scale followed by the full broken chord. Each exercise in Level 2 will always be a two-hand exercise. For example, the right-hand scale and broken chord exercise will have you playing the block chord with your left hand, and the left-hand scale and broken chord exercise will have you playing the block chord with your right hand. Okay, here's today's exercise. Well, that's it for today's lesson. And I know I say this all the time, but the benefits of these Level 2 full octave chord and scale exercises are huge. Now, I'll be honest, I did not like doing these exercises as a kid, but I'm so glad I did. I now have the finger strength and dexterity to play anything I want. Trust me when I tell you, playing these exercises for just 5 minutes a day will be worth it. These exercises will make you a great piano player. In a year from now, you will be so glad you subscribed to this channel. My name is Andrew, and thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more great chord exercises for the piano.